Welcome to the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on that bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by monetizing their videos with ads running through them. The money you earn depends on your CPM. And the CPM stands for cost per thousand. And CPM is the amount an advertiser pays to have his ads served against videos 1,000 times. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where the people are watching the video. Many factors affect CPM, and these include demographics, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube will also take 45% of your revenue from the advertising. In 2018, advertisers spent an average of $3 per thousand views. Laurdiy Do-It-Yourself's YouTube channel. She currently has 8,860,930 subscribers. First video was posted on March 16, 2012, and it was how to underside braid to bun. Total amount of views on her channel is 1,063,049,624. As you can see, I got that from her YouTube page. Now let's do some math and calculate how much money she's earned throughout her whole YouTube career. So 1,063,049,624 multiplied by a CPM of 5, which is 0.005, and you get $5,315,248. Now, of course, YouTube gets 45% of the cut, so you have to do 5,315,248 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $2,923,386. Now, daily subs is at 2,194, and monthly subs is at 65,800. And you can see I got this information from Social Blade. So daily revenue, this is going to be an estimate. Daily views is at 575,518. And I got this information just from Social Blade. Now monetized playback, it's usually about 80% of your daily views. So 80% of 575,518 is 460,414. And basically a monetized playback is whenever whenever you see an ad, whether it's like 3 seconds, 5 seconds, before you watch a video, there's an ad playing. It counts as a monetized playback. And basically, when you use ad blocker, it doesn't count as a monetized playback. CPM is $5, so the daily income is 460,414 multiplied by 0.005, and you get $2,302. Monthly income is $2,302 multiplied by 30, and you get $69,060. Now annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. The revenue is $69,060 multiplied by 12, and you get $828,720. Now YouTube gets cut; they get 45%, so it's $828,720 minus times 0.55, and you get $455,796, which is pretty good. This is the estimated year earnings, which falls in that range. Now Laurdiy Do-It-Yourself also has merch. And see, these are some of the merch that she sells. So she currently has 8.8 million subscribers. And let's just go on the low end. Say just 1% of subscribers buy something. That's 88,000. So the average price is $40, giving her a profit of $20. So 88,000 multiplied by $20, it gives her $1,760,000 a year just from selling merch, which is very, very good. It's a good job for her. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know the next YouTuber that you want me to do next, and I'll do it.